my cheese now, that's poutine.
Hey baby, let's go RedBud! RedBud.
Your phone lag out?
No. Oh yeah, I did, because you went down there where there's no.
You got a crazy side, you get it from your mama. And girl, those ancient lies are trying to tell me something. You wanna get lost on her back.
Practice.
Alright, rolled up to RedBud Kutch, waiting on the boys to show up. Wyatt, all them, Isaiah, Milk, Tyler, Noah, all them coming. It's gonna be a lit ass time, that's all there is to it.
Eli Tomac from Monster. Eli Tomac down there has his strong suit, and that is out there just punishing the racetrack. So the number 3 will go back with gate pick number 1. Bob, plus the camaraderie and then the riding.
Oh, there he is. What's up, boys?
Then, since you're not busy enough with all your other stuff,
What's up, bro?
you were the coach of the
You get a camera out, anybody will do anything.
Oh yeah. Freaking puked all over that one last night.
Maxwell? How are we?
What?
How are we?
We've been better. Wrist is still not good. We've been taping it up.
We'll get damn. Heard you're riding at 110% though.
Yeah, and for a couple laps before it's smoked.
What you smoke? Cole?
What up, dude?
How we doing? RedBud?
Felt better last night, I'll tell you that.
Oh yeah, I get hammered?
Last night, yeah, I was feeling pretty good. Right now, not so hot.
Boys hung?
Yeah, he's probably still drunk, honestly. Yeah, that was rough.
That's lit. Yeah, we're about to go and grab beers.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go RedBud! Hey, let's get it, big dog. Bitches! Oh my God! It's so easy! Commanding lead! Brian Cater.
Red
RedBud!
Sorry. I just had to drink.
It's Juice WRLD! It's Juice WRLD!
It's not black. Why is he white?
He fucked my mom!
Yeah!
We should get something silly. Hey, I like fuck around your body. Fuck you. RedBud, baby. RedBud. RedBud.
RedBud! Baby! Juice WRLD!
Rock the hill! Why are you doing tire? Hop in! Off the bike! Hey, someone call life alert!
Get in the retirement home!
Yeah, you can still smoke you. Yeah. Oh, any day.
Oh, any day.
Let's go, J1!
Damn, boy, she's a Honda. I thought they ran forever.
Ran her out of gas.
Son of a bitch.
Reposition.
Go RedBud.
What are you doing? RedBud.
RedBud.
Right.
RedBud.
Right, where's Kutch?
Right here. Oh, shit.
Kutch!
RedBud. RedBud.
RedBud! Fire him up! You gotta say it if you're gonna say it.
RedBud.
Let's go!
Let's go.
I think Jet went down because he's not in first anymore, so he's probably either hurt or down somewhere, which isn't looking good. The big dogs are coming around here in a second.
Gotta get down.
Championship.
RedBud.
And many of those years, many memories have been made. The car's gone sideways.
Milk's out there on the 80, you can take them.
Shit. These guys ain't shit.
Wait till you see Milk on the 80, he'd whoop.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put a head gasket in that baby.
I do need to rebuild it.
No, we're gonna put a head gasket in it.
Yeah. Teaspoon!
School media.
RedBud! I got little kids telling me to chug.
Up into that number 3 position. Number 4 rod.
Axel's dropping.
Axel's dropping. Oh, that guy eats ass!
Here's got me a free spot in this motherfucker!
Let's go! Let's go! You're vlogging me, I'm vlogging you! You're vlogging me, I'm vlogging you! Oh, shit! Fucking the deer! Correct! Excuse me. Fuck you! That's all there is to it. Damn. Oh shit. We got Wyatt out here in the back of the fucking Ranger. Buoying up. Let's go. RedBud shirt. RedBud. That thing sucked.
So it just picks up. I'm like, oh, what's available?
Alright. Time to leave.
Oh shit, hit it son, hit it. Come on, pack that shit. Come on, pack it. Come on, pack it. Oh fuck. Oh shit, dust them bitches off.
You wanna get lost on